are on 17-2, which is identifying shapes when you plot out a set of ordered pairs on a number grid, or on a coordinate grid, I should say. And so remember, boys and girls, when you are plotting out points on a grid, so for example, I'm on the reteach side right now, and it says that we need to find 2, 2, and 8, 2. These are points on this coordinate grid. These are ordered pairs is what we call them. So the first ordered pair of over 2, up 2, 2, 2. Remember, the axis that goes from left to right on the bottom, that's what we call the x-axis. The axis that goes from bottom to top, so vertical, we call that the y-axis. So whenever we have an ordered pair like this first one, 2, 2, we always have the x is the first number and the y is the second number. So x over 2, 1, 2, up 2, 1, 2. This is the first point on this grid. If we look at the next one, it says 8, 2. So remember, x is your first number, y is your next number. So over 8, we'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we go up 2. So 1, 2. So we're going to plot this point right here, over 8, up 2. Now the last one here, it says the ordered pair is 5, 8. So again, we're going to go, our x-axis is 5, our y-axis is 8. So over 5, up 8. We plot our point there. And since today we're actually drawing lines between these points, this says draw a line Okay, so this actually says what shape is the flag going to be. And if we were to go and draw this shape out, it would come out as a triangle. Okay, that's what shape it is. Now, mark the location of the ordered pairs on the coordinate grid to the right. Label 2, 2, we just did all of those. And draw a line from point A to point B. Okay, so 2, 2, it says right here, 2, 2 should be labeled A. So 2, 2 is A. Okay, 8, 2 should be labeled B. So I'll do this one B. And then the last one is C. Okay, it said draw those lines, which we already did. The shape of the flag is a triangle. Okay, so these are the lines. We call this line A that goes from point A to point B. We call that line AB. Okay. The line that goes from B to C is called line BC. And the line from C to A is called line CA. Now if we scroll down on this worksheet for problems 2, 3, and 4, I want you to go ahead and I gave you all a graph paper, and I want you to take that graph paper and plot these points on that paper. Okay? So you should have a graph paper that looks similar to this, and you're going to have to draw out your grid lines. So go ahead and do that. And you can do that just by drawing a line that goes up, a line that goes over, and you'll have to reuse this same grid because this isn't a very big piece of graph paper. But then you'll number your paper. Goes 0, 1, 2. You put your numbers right on the line. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I went ahead and did them for you. So you'll do your x-axis, label it all the way up to however high you want to go. Your y-axis, I did that backwards, sorry. X-axis goes on the bottom, label it all the way up. Y-axis goes on the top, and we'll just count by ones on these. And again, make sure you put your numbers right on the lines. Take a second and do that. You can pause the video. Okay, when you're done, what you're going to go ahead and do is plot these lines again on your graph. So remember, it goes X. Oh, let me get a different color here. It goes X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. So So your first one, you're going to go over 2, up 4, put a dot. Over 7, up 4, put a dot. Over 5, up 9, put a dot. So the first one was 2, 4. So over 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, mark your point. The next one was over 7, up 4. So over 7, up 1, 2, 3, 4, put your dot. And the last one was over 5, up 9. So over 5, up 9. Put your dot. Then you're going to connect your lines. So there we go, there we go, and there we go. And what shape did we have? That's what the question says. The shape we have is a triangle. Okay, go ahead and do numbers 3 and 4 and take a shot on the back with the practice. I think you'll do well. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.